Hi guys, I'm Michael McMurtrey, food stylist for Ingles Markets. Welcome to the Ingles table. Today I'm here getting ready for a gorgeous garden party, and I've got some friends who'll be joining me to prepare some great dishes, like this pasta coleslaw. I've already been to Ingles and stocked up on some amazing ingredients. Now it's time to turn them into something truly fabulous. Well, hi there. I am here with one of my favorite people in the world. This is Mary. She's going to help me cook today. I'm so excited to have you here.
I'm excited to do this.
This is a pasta coleslaw. It's taking two of my favorite picnic and outdoor summer dishes and merging them together. So the first thing we do is you take an entire cabbage and you shred it, just slice it really thin. We put that in the bowl. Now, if you don't want to go to the trouble of slicing it yourself, they sell bags of it there. I would just get like 2 bags. That would be good. I know
about those little bags.
They're pre-washed. They're all ready to go.
Save time.
Yeah. Take out these little big pieces. I was going to put it down here for now. And just whatever fits in here. The measurements on this are very arbitrary. It's whatever fits, whatever you like, whatever your tastes are. This is a couple yellow peppers. I'm going to put those
beautiful.
in. Yeah.
So you could use the yellow, red, orange, green, whatever color.
Yeah, if you find some good orange ones, go for it. If you like green ones better.
They come in all colors now.
And
they're always there at Ingles. All the various colors. Yeah.
They are. And I've got some carrots.
Oh, beautiful.
These are a bag of shredded carrots. I'm going to put in about a cup. Okay. See how colorful that's getting? And then I have an entire bunch of scallions that I've used the greens and the whites. This is some cilantro.
I love cilantro.
Yeah, a lot of people don't. And if you don't like cilantro or your friends don't like cilantro, I would just skip it. I'm also going to add some Mandarin oranges to give some sweetness.
Yeah.
You can put as many as you like again. And I've
peanuts,
got...
are those roasted?
These are going to go... They're just roasted, dry roasted peanuts.
That you buy in a
jar.
Okay.
I've got a package of vermicelli noodles that I have prepared following the box directions. And then when they were done, I put them into a bowl and I tossed them with a tablespoon of neutral oil and a teaspoon of sesame oil. That keeps it all.
So they don't
stick.
They don't stick.
Adds a little bit of flavor. It's perfect. So now all we need to do is sort of toss this all together. I'm going to get it started and then I'm going to add the dressing. This is a homemade miso dressing that I put together. The recipe is going to be at inglestable.com. It's got an Asian inspired. You can smell.
Oh, it smells fantastic.
And you just pour on. It's going to be about a cup, but maybe a little more. Depends on. Some people like a really wet coleslaw, and some people like it not so wet. So
how far in advance would you make this?
You can dig this the night before and let all the.
Oh, really? So I love recipes that you can do that.
Absolutely.
In advance, and then have them ready and just stick them on the table. That's
this is a great recipe for that.
Fabulous.
Once you've got this all tossed, I like to sprinkle these peanuts on, which is also another Asian.
All the different textures.
And then I take a little bit more of the different colors.
Okay, just a little decoration.
I just put some color up on top.
Fantastic.
All right, maybe a couple of these oranges, so then people know what's going to be in the dish.
Yeah.
And that's it. That's all there is to it.
Michael, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
I can't wait to dig in.
Well, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for having me.
All right. Now it's time for us to get ready for the party, and it's time for you to get on over to Ingles and try out this recipe for yourself. Make sure and explore the site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes. See you next time.